Hi guys, my name's Mitz and I show people how to deprogram themselves so they can find the power within. This video is about self-trust and the path back to you, which is where all the power is inside of you. If you feel like you've lost yourself, you haven't really lost yourself, you've just lost self-trust in yourself. Your system, this is you here, is giving you signals all day, but this is what most people do. They feel a signal and they override it. So let me give you an example. They tell themselves, I'm overreacting, it's not a big deal, just go along with it. And every time you do that, you weaken the trust with yourself. Not in one big moment, but in lots of tiny little overrides to erode your self-trust. Over time, that turns into self-doubt. Now, self-doubt makes you wonder, can I even do this? Am I even good enough? All those sorts of thoughts and feelings come along with this. Here is the path. You override yourself continuously. It creates self-doubt. It weakens your identity and it creates patterns that you continue to loop. These patterns repeat because you're still overriding yourself, you're still in self-doubt, you're weakening your identity, so the patterns keep going. This is the other path on the other side. Now, instead of overriding yourself, we could listen. Now, here's an example. So someone says, do you want to go out? And you say yes. And you have a feeling in your body and you really don't want to go, but you say yes anyway. That is overriding yourself. Now, if you listen to that feeling and you say, no, I'm good, thanks. I don't want to go today. Thank you. Now, again, here, a lot of people go into over-explaining as well. But you don't need to explain yourself. You just say no. Now, this is building self-trust. Now, each time you listen to yourself and do something about it, it's the opposite to this path. So listening creates self-trust. Okay? So self-trust is built through listening to your body signal. Now, this creates a strong identity and it also creates new patterns to run your life instead of running on these old patterns over here. So when you do this process instead of this one, you actually start trusting yourself. You start trusting your decisions. Your body trusts you. Instead of saying, I don't trust myself, now you're saying, I trust myself and my own decisions. Now, every small step you take towards listening to yourself and creating self-trust is a step, right? One step towards you. Now, one thing you can't do is jump from override straight to self-trust. You have to take it little steps at a time. Now, if you can imagine how many times you have overridden yourself, overridden your signal, how many times have you done this? Let's do this. Okay, back to you. So what happens when you've built complete self-trust with yourself? You are running the show. That is the name of the game. Now, if this video resonated with you, I actually teach this stuff in a course that is on the school platform. You can click the link below and come and see me. I have a free course on deprogramming, and I will teach you how to build self-trust and get back to the real you.